architecture offices, retail, media, corporate communication. All of it is dynamic, and the point is this, the core question remains, is multitasking the answer to efficiency and productivity? So I'm sure you would have your own thoughts on this and stuff, but I'm sharing what I feel, that yes, multitasking does help you, but then human brains uh, can only be working limited. And if you have too many tasks given to a person, the person will not be able to do that one particular task they're supposed to do effectively if they're into 10 different things. So let's say you have a list of 10 and they're aiming to do all 10 of them. So what's important is to kind of focus on the tasks and then complete them and stuff, rather than looking at the task list in a hodgepodge manner and saying, okay, सबके सब 10 के 10 एक ही बार में कर देते हैं, So this is how it works and stuff. So this is a read, which are my thoughts on being a multitasker. Are you the least productive or you the most productive and stuff? So research says there are two important tasks. First of all, multitasking decreases your productivity by 40%, and secondly, people who multitask are typically incapable of finishing off their tasks successfully and stuff. Because I have already shared this, the human brain can think only a limited number of things at one time. So taking on too much will actually kind of make you do some of the work poorly than doing one thing especially well. So this is why people like me and I emphasize having a task list. So my task list is before me. Get a task list and write down before you start your day and before you end your day, what are the tasks that are really important. And sometimes you may not be able to do a download and stuff. In that case, keep it in your mind, but go back and perform that task, because if you carry too much of it with you, then you're not able to enjoy doing the next task or enjoy wherever you are setting out for your next you know maybe a meeting or a personal interaction or whatever, or some personal task. So if multitasking makes us less productive, why are people doing it? So I'm sure the answer would be before everybody. The point is this, that when you're kind of multitasking, you're trying to kind of push yourself to finish everything, and it's a challenge you've given yourself and stuff. You're tuned or you're conditioned to work in a certain fashion, so you have to kind of compensate in doing everything at one go. So the point is, do not be falsely convinced that multitaskers are always effective and productive and stuff. When you have to be highly creative, highly efficient, highly productive, what you have to do is kind of take important tasks before you in hand and finish those. And only when you finish, let's say, a project, or you finish a task from A to Z, it means that your task is over. If you've kind of not gotten over with all the steps and stuff, then that task in my mind still remains a pending task. So you can't call yourself an efficient worker or a multitasker and stuff. You have to finish that task, okay? So love and luck, and take care and have fun and have a blast. So try and kind of stay flexible around your work. Take a breather, take a break, have some coffee and enjoy. Do some reading. If you're spending too much of time on a computer or on the phone, let me remind you this, that if you are spending too much of time on your phone, that can also work as an efficiency hack, because you spend your time only researching and WhatsApping and stuff like that. So very important is to kind of put your phone down and focus on the task before you, and then of course you can pick up your phone and you can do different tasks. And WhatsApp and emailing may make you look more dynamic, but only you know in the hearts of hearts if actually you're really doing some work or you're just sending out your personal messages and stuff, okay? So hope this helps. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapanioffice@gmail.com. This is about joyful times at work and stuff, joyful interactions, not getting bogged down, not getting saturated, not getting kind of, beaten down by the weather and stuff like that. So if you feel that way, take a walk. Like I already said, get some fresh air, look at some nature, have a coffee, take a coffee break or a tea break, make a couple of calls and stuff, or spend some time listening to some music and stuff and get back to your desk. Okay, so love and luck and take care, have fun, and thank you so much for writing in your messages and stuff. I'm doing good and I'm doing great, and I hope to see you very soon in person. So keep the flow of your work going and stuff. You're only in midweek right now, so there's more to do and stuff. So keep it rocking, keep it going, and start by doing away with those piles and stuff like that, and make some thumb rules of focusing on the priority work first. Once you've done that, you can take a breather and you can just chill and stuff and all that. Okay, so love and luck and take care and have fun and have a blast. Bye bye.